The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for northern Cherokee County, south central Crawford County, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over West Mineral or 8 miles northwest of Columbus, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Cherokee, Weir, Sherman, Scammon, Chicopee, McCune, West Mineral, Roseland, Lawton, Corona, Skidmore, and Stepville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Kansas, Cherokee and Crawford,